Go.
Run to the ducks.
It's funny.
Yeah, that's a pigeon. Okay, that's this way, this way, this way. Don't get close to the water. Look, more ducks over there. Look. Ducks over there.
That's kind of over here.
Look, over there.
They might attack them. I'm ready for backup.
Look at the ducks.
Look at the ducks.
That's too close to the water.
I know, for real. You gotta be.
Stay in the grass. Yeah, duckies. Don't fall in the water.
Farted.
Okay, no. That's too close. To the water. Say bye, ducks. Just make sure he doesn't run close to the water.
I know. I'm the guardian. Over there in the ducks.
No, not that one. There's a shitload there. He wants to go for those.
I know.
It's right in the water.
Yeah. Don't fall, Wilson.
I'm not gonna fall, and I can swim, so I'm okay.
No, you can't.
I know how to swim.
You'll probably drown. Carlos, stop.